or die game number 3 na magaganap sa Sabado. First to serve is ganda naman nung dive ni Jamie Lavitoria. Go Pico! Check ball.
Off the block.
And Ateneo starting
3-0
out
in favor
strong.
of Ateneo.
Wanga, of course, now lives in FEU. They will go to Morente. Ateneo will and
scores.
check ball. Pagkatapos makapunto, coach ng FEU. Bibigay sa Ateneo. And there is Gia
Another
Morado.
drop
Again,
shot by Morado.
back-to-back points for Gia Morado.
Ateneo
Those 2
10.
dumps. They go to Gopico. Coverage for FEU. Morente.
Uy!
Hindi nagkakasunduan sila Lavitoria at Gopico.
Miscommunication for
It was a
Ateneo.
good back quick play para dito kay Gopico pero naabangan ng FEU.
Set point na para sa Ateneo. And they go to Basas.
Basa.
Malabanan to Negrito. The back set to Palma. Ateneo. There's low. Tequiliana. And finally, nakamit na ng Ateneo pagkatapos mag-cute na chikiting.
Dami yan. Dami yan. Nakakatuwa.
Sports Arena sa Pasig City. If you're around the area, pwede po kayong dumaan dito. Live po tayo sa SNA. At kani-kanina nga ako. Morente. Negrito. Pumunta sa kabilang side kay Domingo.
Ganda naman ang pasa ni Negrito.
Ball is
Biglang
out.
ibinato sa open.
Alma celebrating her birthday tomorrow. Morado that time goes to De Leon.
Leon finds a spot.
Again, connection between Morado and De Leon works para sa atin. Lynn Domingo serving para sa FEU. Morado pumunta kay Gopico. Double block. Villarreal and Gino were there.
Block by
Kanina, Gia Morado set up a lot of...
FEU will go to Gino. Ito na naman coach.
Off the
Mula
block.
sa utility bumalik doon sa opposite
Right.
sa open side.
At nahuli lang.
Free ball para sa Ateneo. Morado, ang ganda naman ng Blanca ni Domingo.
Nabasa.
Block
Nabasa
by
yung quick
Domingo.
play para kay Ponggay Gaston. Double block.
Substitution.
But Domingo
FEU.
will
13
deliver that
out.
kill. Setter mo.
That's right. Negrito from the middle and a point.
Basas.
Chinchin Basas.
Finds the line.
What a play. Set up coming from
FEU.
Negrito.
Now it's 7
And once
point
again,
advantage.
it all started dun sa magandang reception.
23.
Celebrating her birthday tomorrow. She turns 21. Morente and a service ace.
Service ace.
And more importantly, FEU.
FEU.
Oh, yeah.
Parang tayo. Pero ikaw, maaga araw mo bukas.
Ito na, set 2, set 3 underway in game 2. Maraming salamat mga kapamilya. Ateneo, ito po ang game 2. That's semifinals. Morado, pumunta kay Aquiliana.
Aquiliana. Turn
Yan
the
yung
ball.
pagtitimon na kailangan ng Ateneo ngayon. From Gia.
For Ateneo. Gopico. Nice
Gopico.
steal and
Finds
scored
a spot.
kay Ana Gopico.
Ateneo.
Ayo.
Another lead change. Ateneo up 9-8 and Bea De Leon is there again.
Pancake daw, sabi ni Durentes at ni Coach Shaq. Pero
Ball hits the floor.
napituhan na na bumagsak sa floor. Titignan natin yan.
Ito yung kino-contest ni Coach Shaq ngayon. Tingnan natin kung na-pancake nga.
Ugot siya sa rotation niya eh.
Kaya bumunot na natin. Neo Basas. Wala na
Basas.
kailangan bubunutin kay
Basas.
Chin Chin. And the birthday girl scores again for FEU. Neo now serving for the Lady Eagles. Negrito, the back set combination. Good one.
Through the
From
block.
Negrito to the veteran and their team captain Remy Palma.
At least 3 players already eclipsing their scoring output.
Domingo giving a free ball para sa Ateneo. Again!
Quick
Back! Gia Morado to Bea De Leon. Another quick set.
That play did not work for us.
RAA. Gopico. And there's Gopico again.
Finishes the set.
Ano?
Hashtag care mo naman.
Aba? Ano maging Care Bear? Dating Teletubby.
Salamat po sa inyong pagtutok. Andre Felix kasamang nag-iisa. Double block. Good stop by FEU. Basas. And she wins with that
Basas
out tip. And a point
with
for
the draw.
FEU now up 3-0.
FEU, hindi naglaglag balikat.
Sa Bicol, yung pansit bato. Sa Bato Camarines.
Bato? Bakit
Oo.
matigas?
Pinakatigas nila yung noodles.
Basas.
Tapos, mainit yung
Soft
sahog.
shot.
Para
Oh,
lumapot
yes.
yung noodles.
FEU 5. Ateneo.
Eh, pag ganitong
1.
oras na, Andre, talaga.
Negrito. Two Basas.
Malaki na to. Good block on that running attack coming from Remy Palma.
And again, Remy Palma.
Second serving para kay Remy Palma. The team captain has really carried this team on her shoulders.
Ateneo.
Palma. Here's Gia. To De Leon. Again. The Gia Morado to Bea De Leon connection.
I believe Bea De Leon.
Sinawid na lamang ni Morado. FEU goes to Domingo. Again, that decoy has worked earlier for FEU a couple of times. This time, malabanan ang ginamit ng decoy.
And I thought,
Kay Ginoo. Sheltan is there. Oh, and check ball off of Ginoo. A point for Morente and Ateneo. Now closing and then check coming back. Gia pumunta kay Gopico and it will go off. FEU scrambling here
Saplayo,
now.
oh.
Morado to Morente and Ateneo. Gia, good serve. Ginoo. And some life being given ng Ateneo. Back to FEU. They go to Basas. Yun yung kanina pa natin hinahanap,
kanina ko
Coach
pa
Ron.
hinahanap yung pasang yan para kay Basas. Go-to player ng FEU.
Watching from the sidelines with an injured ankle. Oh,
Masakit!
masyadong malakas. And
Masakit!
doon magtatapos with the Kyle Negrito service error. And Ateneo jumping up and down.
23. Congratulations to the Lady Eagles
Grabe.
of the Ateneo.
And you Lady Bulldogs on Monday.
Yun ang ating shaky shake and play of the set. Kami po yung magbabalik. Stay with us as we wrap things up.